There's a city carved beneath the stone, lit by roots that softly glow, where water hums through silver veins, and every garden speaks Zirin's name. Katoli came with gold and silent pride, a stolen ship, a child at her side. Eyes like knives, a past she'd burned, and a hunger for a throne unearned. Beneath the city, shadows bloom in gardens fed by steam and gloom, and every heart that beats down here learns to trade its love for fear. But in the light of that machine, not every bond can be unseen. He stood like fire in the deep, with plans too vast for her to keep. He saw her gold, her sharpened charm, and warned her not to come with harm. But harm was all she'd ever known. She fed on power, thrived alone. She sent her sister back in shame, but shadows learn and do the same. Beneath the city, shadows bloom in tunnels thick with sweet perfume, where glowing roots and rivulets forget the vows that power forgets. But in the hall of liquid glass, two rebel hearts refuse to pass. She saw them wrapped in whispered vows, their skin aglow, their heads bowed down, not to her but to each other, two Cloesian sons, two radiant lovers. And all the things she couldn't feel rose up like shame. She couldn't steal, she called it wrong, she called it rot, but deep inside she envied what they'd got. She tore them from the dark alcove with velvet words and fist and throws, dragged them to her throne of light to prove that wrong could conquer right. But still they stood, refused to fall, with love that echoed through the hall. And in their silence something stirred, a truth too loud to be unheard. Beneath the city, seeds were sown in hearts that power couldn't own. And though she ruled with fire and glass, the ones who dared to love would last. For our alleys remembers all, the rise, the bloom, the quiet fall. There's a city carved beneath the stone, where even queens can be alone.